Alright, welcome back to 2 Parts Whisky, 1 Part Wisdom. Today's whisky is a Glendronach 12-year-old. A very nice scotch that you can always go back to for a second or a third. Oh yeah, that's nice. Alright, today's video. Today's is just a quickie. This is not going to be a long video. Just wanted to let you know that I had some goodies arrive in the mail, and these are going to form part of probably my next 3 videos so that I can actually take you on a bit of a journey about what I'm doing with them. So here's the intro, and please remember to like and subscribe and hit that bell if you'd like to be notified of new videos. Hey, I remembered to do this bit. So cue the intro. Alright, so, like a lot of people out there, got a bit of home automation going on. Can control some lights, can control my garage door, can control the heater, can control some ceiling fans and the lights in those ceiling fans, and just general voice commands and stuff like that. So, some good stuff, but I've been wanting to, expand that out a little bit and see what we can do. And I've got some new toys in the mail, and which, let's be honest, getting some new toys in the mail is about the only way I can get toys right now because we're still on lockdown and can't go anywhere. So, the big boy is the Shelly 3EM. Now, this is a power monitoring device that goes into your, you can put it into your mains switchboard, and it can monitor, I think, 3 separate circuits and provide an input into the box as well. So, that's going to be very cool. That gives you a very high level monitoring of your circuits and at the circuit level. Baby brother, this is a little one, and the intention with this one is to put it into a double GPO outlet would be the nice place for it. And I'd like to monitor the I'm thinking the washing machine and the dryer. The other place I was thinking about putting it was for the freezer in the shed, where we've got a lot of our frozen stuff, just to see how much that freezer's consuming. And last but not least, and this is what I'm actually really excited about, and not because it's the the funkiest one or the coolest one, it's the Shelly H&T humidity and temperature sensor. And I'm really excited about this one because I want to chuck it into a couple of, I've actually got 2. I want to chuck it into a couple of rooms and start to get an idea of the temperature variations and how things are going. Also looking at putting in some insulation into one of the rooms, and I want to get a good idea of the temperature differential after that insulation goes in, see whether it actually made much of a difference. And these things are cool. If you didn't actually pick it up from the from when I held it up, they're tiny. These things are tiny, and I would already have this going right now if I had the battery, and I don't. So I am currently waiting on the battery to be delivered, and once that's delivered, that will probably be the first one off the first cab off the rank to get tested. And by the way, this video is not sponsored by Shelly or anyone else, anyone at all. Really, no one, Not even Glendronach, who makes a beautiful whiskey. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah. It's got some nice vanilla in it. Oh, you're still here. That's it. There'll be more videos on this stuff, and I hope you enjoy them. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Alright, now cue the disclaimer. While I do work for NTT Ltd, these videos and all opinions expressed in them are my own, and while some may align with NTT, this video does not represent NTT in any way. Thank you.